Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to highlight source code inside your Angular application. So we will be using this plugin which is ngx-highlightjs. So basically it's a syntax highlighter and it will be able to highlight any sort of source code that you have inside your application. So let's suppose you want to highlight some kind of programming code and with various themes. So you can do this with this plugin which is ngx-highlightjs. So there are various themes which are available: dark theme, light theme. All these themes are available for every programming language. It will auto detect and accordingly it will add these line numbers also, and also this will highlight the code. So basically if you just search for this library which is available for free, which is open source library. So if you just search for ngx-highlightjs, so basically this is the official documentation about this plugin. So it's a Angular specific library, and if you check the live demo, you will see this is the live demo of this. It has various themes attached to it: Android Studio, Dracodia. You will see that. So basically it will highlight your code in these themes, so you can change these themes accordingly. So I will be showing you step by step how to integrate it inside your Angular application. So all the source code will be there inside video description. So if you want to follow along with this video, you can just go to the video description link, and I have given all the source code here. So you will see all the step-by-step instruction is given how to do this. So this is the ngx-highlightjs library. So now to do this, you need to create an Angular project with the help of ng-new command. I have already done that. So you will see this is my Angular project which is running. So it's a brand new project. I haven't added anything to it. So you will see that. Let me delete all this stuff. So this is currently empty. So now the very first thing you need to do is that you need to add this library. So you need to go to app.module.ts file, and you need to add this library inside this file. So for doing this, it is very simple. You need to import all the modules. So you need to import it from ngx-highlightjs. So the very first thing, you need to go to the command prompt and install this module, which is npm i ngx-highlightjs. So just install this module, and it will take hardly 5 to 10 seconds to install this module. So now it is successfully installed. So now we can install this, import this from ngx-highlightjs. So here we need to import three things. First is the highlight module. The second thing is highlight options. The third thing is highlight options. Again, this needs to be highlight options. So these are the three things we have imported: highlight module, highlight options, and highlight options. So after importing all these things, now we need to add this inside the imports array. So you need to import this highlight module, and inside your providers you need to put a inside the providers array here, you need to have this object provide highlight options, put a comma, then you have this use value highlight options, close this. So inside this, guys, you need to put line numbers. Whether you want to use line numbers, I will be telling it to true. If you want to show line numbers inside syntax highlighter, you will put true here. If not, then you need to put false. Then you need to put core library loader. So you need to import the core library, which is the actual library. So you need to import highlightjs. So highlight.js/lib/core. So just eliminate this. So that's it. Put a comma, and the second core library which is required is line numbers loader. So this is available inside this address, which is highlight.js. So if you see in the drop down, we see some things coming here, which is highlight.js dash line numbers dot js. So put a comma, highlight js dot js. Theme path, this is also need to be, so this is present inside. So all these things, guys, we are I am writing these things here, so you can copy paste these things. It is also available at the plugin documentation. So you will see these things were also available inside this. So I can simply copy this and don't waste your time. So simply I can copy these things like this. So basically it's an optional whether it is saying if you want the line numbers. So if you don't want the line numbers, you can simply delete this. So like this. So two people are watching the stream, guys. So we are building a syntax highlighter inside Angular. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So after this things, guys, we need to go to your app.component.html file. So you need to add this. So inside your code tag, you need to highlight whichever code you want to highlight. Simply have this inside code variable. Now you need to go to app.component.ts file. So here you need to define the code, whichever code you need to highlight. So we can use the backtick symbol. So here we can write any sort of code. This is HTML code, you will see that. So basically just now if I see here inside my, if I need to run this, so we will simply say ngserve. So if I start this Angular application, you will see this, it will highlight this code. So for this, guys, you need to import some things at the very top. So simply import these things right here at the this top of this file. And inside the constructor, whenever this is loaded, you need to copy paste it like this. So it has started this, so let me see if it is working. So you can see that uh, it hasn't loaded this. So You need to add the languages code also. So just go to app.component.html file and add this attribute which is languages, so which is TypeScript. So if you just reload this application, you will see now it is highlighting this code. So if you want the same functionality, you can go to the video description link for this module. If I just paste it, paste this code here like this inside this, paste it here. So now you can see that, guys. I don't know why it is not highlighting locally, but you can test it inside StackBlitz website. They have hosted this module online, so you can check their package.json file. Whichever modules are missing, you can update them, but simply copy all the dependencies which is there. So you can see these are the dependencies which are there. Let me copy this and update my package.json file to synchronize it to me. And now if I execute npmi, so if I start now this application, hopefully it should work. So for highlighting the line numbers, we also have this, so we can copy paste this line, so which was missing earlier. So we can go to right here, paste this line, still it is missing. So this is the application, guys. You can go to stackblitz.com. This is the project. You can clone this project and you can highlight the source code inside Angular.